Okay, so I quickly today want to show you how to knot to get started your needle and thread, and then also how to tie off. So how I knot is just to simply do a knot like you would think to do it. So bringing the thread over and through and tying it off. And then if you want to trim it up a little bit, you can trim a shorter tail. Then I'm going to take my piece and I'm going to work on where I'm starting, pull it through, give it a little tug, definitely not too hard because you could pop your knot through, and then you can just stitch along and that will keep your thread in place. Okay, so once you've finished with the section that you're working on and you want to switch thread colors, or you've run out of thread, you're going to flip over your work. And then what I do is I run it under a nearby stitch. You could even run it under a different thread color if you didn't have anything to work with. I'm going to run my needle under the blue thread, pull it up, and see it's created a loop here. You're going to loop your needle through that loop and pull. This creates a knot, and then I do one more time for security. Pull the loop, pull it gently, tighten it, and then you're safe to trim off your end just like that, and it's securely tied on to your piece.